Hello and welcome to another session from Learn Digital Academy. In this one, we are going to try a different objective, lead generation. While everything remains the same when you're going to target the audience, we have a small change in the bidding section. We will not find the target cost but the manual bidding. Now, which would happen every time the person clicks upon the ad. Or rather, you can leave it in the Facebook's hand and it will get targeted automatically. Another change that we have in this objective is about the form, which is available in Facebook too. Let us have a look at the lead generation form of LinkedIn. Click upon create new ad. Follow up all the standards over here. Name the advertisement, put the introductory text as well as the URL. And once that you are done with everything, you're gonna come into the form details. If you have already created any form, we'll find it over here. If want to create a new form, you must click upon create new, and here goes your form. Name the form. For your reference, the headline. Which would appear here. Now, what is it that you're trying to promote? If you would like to give this information, well and good, you do have 160 characters for that. If not, it is optional. Privacy policy URL from your website. Now, what is it that you would require in the form? First name, last name, email address. Is there anything else that you want to add, like maybe the contact? Phone number, which is pretty much important. So if you have the phone number and the email address, that pretty summarizes a lead. If there are any questions that you have, you can mention those questions over here and you can have multiple choice answers also for them. The confirmation, the message that you would like to give to the person once the form is filled. And after that, where would you like the person to visit the website? Put a call to action button here. That's pretty much in your lead generation form.